clean your desk and 2 hours later it's dusty again. Microfiber cloth is useless. Every single day, window grills, keyboard, desk, screens, same story. I got tired. So I thought, why not get a blower? I checked the market, mini blowers, cheap Chinese ones claiming fake 48-volt batteries. Then I found this. A proper branded one, Tomahawk blower, and the price shocked me, just 1556 rupees. Amazon box comes in, inside we get the Tomahawk package. MRP says 3963 rupees, but real price way lower. Inside the box we get the 20-volt battery, charger, manual, earplugs, okay, so this might be loud, and the blower itself. But one mess, no carry case. Look at this, the design is muscular, yellow plus black gives that industrial feel. Front looks like a mini jet engine and the fan inside looks dead serious. But the real question is it actually powerful? Battery in, button feels solid, let's turn it on. Whoa, that sound already tells you something. Tried it on my face, it's a very hot day, not gonna lie, feels like a mini air blast. Let's try on my desk. If the dust isn't sticky, it's gone instantly. But here's one thing, keep your windows open, otherwise that dust might just come back. Keyboard, screens, table, everything clears in seconds. Dry leaves, gone in seconds. No bending, no broom. Just point and blow. Honestly, this is fun. This is why I bought it. Car gets dusty within matter of hours even after washing. Let's try. Boom! 10-20 seconds, done. Same for scooter. This alone makes it worth it. But one thing, battery lasts around 15 to 20 minutes only. So not for long heavy cleaning. If you like cleaning desk gadgets daily, keeping your garden and terrace clean, or you want quick car scooter cleaning, then this is 100% worth it. Skip it if you want long industrial use, you expect vacuum level deep cleaning, this is not for you.